My question is, mass shootings, such as the one in an elementary school in Texas earlier this week, are becoming increasingly common in the United States. What should the United States do to avoid such tragedies in the future?
You see, show sense. Don't be senseless. That is the foremost duty of the people of the United States and the government as well. Where there is frustration, these things happen. If you forget your duties, your obligations, purpose of your life, then these things happen. So when these things happen, then this is the responsibility of Ahmadis. We, as a true Muslim, that let the people understand what are their duties and obligations. What is the purpose of their life? So, if you are discharging your duties, you owe to your Creator. You know that the purpose of your life is not just to attain the worldly targets, but to worship Allah Ta'ala, bow before Him, and always keep your eye on your life hereafter. Right? And then you should know that the second important task given to us as a religious person, as a human being, is to discharge our duties we owe to each other. So, if instead of trying to snatch and grab your rights, we should try to give rights to others. If every person realizes this thing and give due right to the other person, then this frustration will automatically vanish. Right? Until and unless you make these people realize the purpose of their life, you cannot stop this thing. And at the same time, you should also enact some laws to stop these things. You see, if there's no restriction, everyone is free to go to the arms shop and buy whatever he likes or she likes, then this should be the ultimate result of it. What is happening? So, in my view, government should also now take steps, and they should impose some restriction on it. At least if armed lobby is against licenses and restriction on it, they should at least limit some age, that this age group is not permitted to buy arms, especially automatic or semi-automatic. And at the same time, the programs which are being shown on television, internet, or all these media channels, they are also showing extremism, fights, and such type of things, which also make a sense of fun among the youngsters. That should also be checked and stopped. As far as we are concerned, we cannot do anything. This is the duty of the government to put some restriction on it, whatever they feel appropriate. legislators should also enact some law in this regard. But our duty is that we should pray for the people of the world, for the people of our country. Allah Ta'ala give them sense, and also preach to the people and let them understand what their responsibilities are. So these are the things which we can do, right?